welcome to lesson 3 from our series Spoken Egyptian Crash Course for Beginners. In this lesson, we will learn how to ask about directions and also we'll get introduction about the preposition and the question article in spoken Egyptian dialect. Ready? Let's start. من فضلك فين محطة الباص؟ حضرتك امشي على طول وأول يمين بعد الكوبري. First of all, let's revise من فضلك or لو سمحت. It means please. Exactly. This is the most common polite expression we have in spoken Egyptian, and we can say it either way. We can say it as من فضلك and we can say it also as لو سمحت. So whether you say من فضلك or لو سمحت, both are correct and widely used. Now let's learn the first question article in spoken Egyptian. Where or فين. Okay, so when I say, for example, فين حميد, where is حميد? So I remove the is or the verb to be and I just say where حميد in Arabic and in spoken Egyptian. So فين حميد. So here the first question article that we will learn is فين. So say it with me again. فين. فين. محطة الباص. The bus station. You will notice that we say الباص, which is bus in English. It's international and we say it as it is, but we add the alif lam, which is the definite article. So we add alif lam to the bus, it becomes الباص. And we say محطة, which is a station. So we say محطة الباص, or when we combine them together, we say محطة الباص. Okay, so instead of محطة, this a, we transform it into tit, محطة. Okay, so محطة الباص, which is the bus station. So where is the bus station? فين محطة الباص? Let's move to the answer. The first thing that you noticed while I was answering the person, I said حضرتك. حضرتك from last lesson, we will revise, that is a formal expression to أنت, which is you. So in Arabic, or in Egyptian, we have this you to mean أنت, which is casual, or to mean حضرتك, which is formal. This is for male when I am talking to a male. When I'm talking to a female, it becomes انتي, which is casual, or حضرتك, which is formal. Okay, so very important to know حضرتك and حضرتك are the formal you. Okay, the formal you, either for male or for female. So the first one, or the first word that we will revise in this lesson here is حضرتك. We had it also in lesson 2. Good. So حضرتك, you. Let's talk a little bit about verbs. Verbs in spoken Egyptian are really easy and they have several tenses. Okay, so we have, for example, the be imperfect tense, which is a tense that's used for the continuous action and simple fact. So it's used with the same function as the present continuous in English, and the simple present in English. So this is called be imperfect. Here in this particular example, we have the imperative. So امشي. امشي from the verb يمشي, to walk or to go. Okay, and the imperative form of it is امشي. So I am requesting somebody to do so. امشي, or ordering. Okay, so this is imperative. امشي. Okay, so امشي is simply from the verb يمشي, which is to walk or to go. على طول. على طول as an expression it means straight. Straight without turning. على طول. And it's composed of two words. The first word is على, which is on, a preposition, an Arabic preposition, which is on, على, and the طول, which is length. Okay? As separate words, they don't fit together. So on length, it doesn't have a meaning, but it's used as an expression in Egyptian. And using them both as a one expression, it means directly straight. Okay, so straight without turning. So امشي على طول, it means go straight ahead without turning. امشي على طول. Is and. This is very important letter that we need to learn. It means, and also a word. So wa, the waw letter in Arabic and in spoken Egyptian, it means and in English. Okay, wa. And in Egyptian, usually we say w, not wa like modern Arabic. We say w. Okay, so امشي على طول و حود. Another imperative, حود. And this imperative tense is from the, or form is from the verb يحود, which means to turn, turn right or turn left. وحود, turn. So امشي على طول وحود. يمين. يمين here it means right. يمين, right. And we have شمال, left. I have some directions in my free course. So don't forget to go to the first comment or the description box and enroll right now in my Egyptian 101 online course with a downloadable ebook. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. So how would here to turn or turn, and يمين is right. How would يمين turn right? Now let's move to the last component, which is بعد الكوبري. بعد الكوبري. بعد is another preposition. So we have على, which is on from على طول, and we have بعد, which is after. So بعد, after. الكوبري, actually, it's not entirely an Arabic. It's not an Arabic word. We got it from Turkish. Actually, the bridge in modern Arabic, it means al-jisr. But Egyptians took it from Turkish. You know that the Ottoman Empire was, the Ottoman Empire used to rule Egypt for centuries. And Egyptians took many words from Turkish. So you have this kubri. Kubri is one of the words which means a bridge. So بعد الكوبري, after the bridge. Say it with me again. بعد الكوبري. بعد الكوبري. Our small exercise. على طول. What does it mean? Does it mean turn left or turn right or go straight ahead? Perfect. على طول is go straight ahead. I hope this lesson was easy for you. In this lesson, we learned many things at the same time. We learned how to ask about the direction in a very easy way, and also we touched on important topics in spoken Egyptian like imperative verbs, امشي and حود. We also talked about prepositions, and we also revised the important polite forms like حضرتك. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to LinguaMeet. If you have any question, write me a comment below, and have a look at the description box for important resources, and enroll right now in your free Egyptian 101 course and download its free ebook. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in lesson 4.